Hello everyone, I hope all of you have done well in the board exam. I'm discussing one of the paper. This is 30/4/3 SET-3. So in the first question, the distance between the point a cos theta plus b sin theta, 0 and 0 a sin theta minus b cos theta. So you have to calculate the distance. You can use distance formula. So in this, after using the distance formula, you will get a square plus b square. So when you square this term, a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square, and under root you will get a square plus b square root. So first A option is the correct answer. So for the second one, ice cream cone of radius r and height h is completely filled by two spherical cones of the ice cream. So volume of cone is equal to 2 times the volume of spherical scoops, which gives you the ratio 1:2. So B option is the correct answer. So for the second, B. Next, the value of k for which the system of linear equations have infinitely many solutions, and does it exist or not? So for this, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So when you put the values, k by 6 equal to -2 by -1 equal to -2 by -3. I have interchanged this value. This is -1 by -2 equal to -2 by 3. So here you are getting k equal to 3 by 2, which is not equal to 2 by 3. So it does not exist because it is a coincident line. So it does not exist. So first, for third, option D is correct. So for the fourth question, a circle is divided into 16 identical sectors. 16 identical sector, that means theta is equal to 360 by 16. If the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter, area of the each sector. So area of the sector is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. You know the values, put the values. Here you will get 77 by 8. So 4, D option is the correct answer. For the next question, mean and median of the frequency distribution as given 43 and 40 respectively. Find the value of mode. So as you know, 3 median equals to 2 mean plus mode. You know the values. You have to put 3 into 43, 3 into 40, 2 into 43 will give you mode. So in this the mode comes out to be 34. So for fifth, option A is the correct. For the next question, 3 tennis balls are just packed in a cylinder. If the radius of each ball is r, find the air inside the jar. So for this, you have to calculate volume of the cylinder minus volume of the 3 spherical balls, which gives you pi r square h minus 4 by 3 pi r cube. And here you can see this is 2r, 2r and 2r. So this comes out to be 6 pi r cube minus 4 pi r cube, which gives you 2 pi r cube. So sixth, answer A is correct. For the next question, observe the graph of the polynomial and the 0 of the polynomial. So in this you can clearly see one is here, another is here. So -2 and 2.5. So option B minus 2 and 2.5 is the correct choice. So next one, from the external point P, a tangent PT has drawn to the circle with a center at O and radius 3 cm, intersecting its concentric circles at A and B. If AB is 8 cm, so this is given to 8 cm, that means this is 4, this is 4. And radius is 3, that means OA comes out to be 5. Using Pythagoras, 5 plus 4 give you 9 cm. So option C is the correct. So for 8, C is the correct choice. Secant square A minus 1 by sine square A. Secant square A minus 1 is tan square A by sine square A, which gives you 1 by cos square A. That is equal to secant square A. So 9, option B. So for 9th, option B is the correct answer. Here PQ is the tangent to the circle with the center O. If POR, this is given to you 65, you have to calculate the value of PTR. If this is 65, this comes out to be 32.5. From the arc PR, center to the circle will be half. So 32.5, so 90 plus 32.5 plus angle PTR equals to 180 degree. So subtracting this, you will get 57.5. So 10th, C is the correct answer. So next question, in the given figure circle, it is center at 1, 2, the diameter of the circle. So if you draw a line from here, you can easily find this. It is from the origin, so distance formula, you will get the radius as 2 square plus 1 square, which is root 5. So radius is root 5, so the diameter will be 2 times of this, so 2 root 5. So option D is correct. In the next question, in the given figure, D is parallel to BC and AD by DB is given 1:3. You have to find AE if AC is given 6 cm. So AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So AD is 1/4 into AE by 6, where AE comes out to be 3/2, which is 1.5. So A option is correct. So 12th, A. Next one, in the given figure, triangle ABC and is similar to triangle EDF. Which of the following is not true? So as you see, first option is correct. Perimeter of triangle ABC and ADF is AB by AD. This is also correct. AB, ED, BC, AC and EF. This is also correct, and this is also correct. But here you can see angle A is equal to angle D. No, angle A is equal to angle D is not correct. It is equal to angle E. So C option is not true. So in the next question, 13th answer is C. 14th, in the next question, in the quadratic equation 9x square plus 8kx plus 16 equal to 0 has real and equal roots. So for real and equal root, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B is what? 8k whole square minus 4 into 9 into 16 equal to 0. So this will give you 64 k square equal to 4 into 16 is 64 into 9. 64 and 64 will cancel out. K square comes out to be 9. That means k is equal to plus minus 3. 15th, one plus tan square a, 1 plus cot square a. You know, you can write this as 1 by cot square a. So it will become 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus tan square A into tan square A. So your answer A is the correct for 15th. Next question. If the sum of first 10 terms of AP is 0, so what is given to us? Given to us is S10 is equal to 0 and A is the first term and D is the common difference. Which of the following is true? So when you calculate this, S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2A plus 90, which is equal to 0. So this comes out to be 5. This is equal to 0. That means 2A plus 90 equal to 0 or 2A equal to minus 90. Now, if you take the value of A10 is A plus 90 and put the value from here, you will get C. A10 is equal to minus A. So your C is the correct answer for the 16th. Two dice are rolled together. The probability that the sum of number obtained is at most 12. At most 12 means 0 is possible, 1 is possible, 2, 3, 4. All numbers are possible. So it is 36 by 36. So 17th A option is correct. So 17th answer is A. In the 18th, arc PQ subtend an angle theta at the center of the circle with the radius 6.3. PQ arc is given 11 centimeter. You have to just put the value in 11 is equal to 11 equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Putting the value of r over here, calculate, you will get as 100 degree. So 18th D is the correct answer. Next one. If the probability of happening an event is 0.2 p, then p can't be more than 5. This is correct. So 0.2 p is the given the probability of event. This comes out to be, so in this the p is coming out to be less than and equal to 5. So this is correct. Probability of event not an event is equal to 1 minus probability of event. This is also correct, but it is not the correct explanation of it. So B, 19th, B will be the correct answer. 20th, root 3 and root 5 is an irrational number. Yes, A is true. Sum of any two irrational number is always irrational. No, this is not true, because root 2 plus minus root 2 if we take, it will give you 0, which is not a rational number. So A is true, R is false. So C will be the correct choice for this. I hope you have done the paper well. Let me know if anything is not clear to you in this.